Yahoo! Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Time in Sydney, Australia right now is 9 past 11 a.m. Date is on the 19th of January. So today I'm going to actually forecast for index only, which I haven't done it before. This is the first time I do this. I am going to actually forecast from today, which is 19, right, to following weeks on Friday 28. So it's going to be more than 10 days forecast, and hopefully if the market hit the level that we forecast, I'll make the second video. Before I go to the chart, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer. Market is very risky. You have to understand we are not responsible for your action. Any gain or loss, this is your risk. If you want to learn, there is so many channel on YouTube channel or online that you can go pay and learn how to trade. This is free education and information site only, and we are not a signal company. So we do trade with our own money and our own risk, but if you like to follow us to see what we do, you can open the demo account. I'm not promoting any brokers. You can open the demo account and see what we do, and then step by step you learn how to trade. So I'm going to the chart and I show you what's happening. This is all index that I find is 9 index, plus I find the level for the Tesla as well. So Japanese 225, everything is on the 30 minutes time frame. And let me explain this. I have done this one in other video before. I'm going to explain it to you again, what we do, and then you can actually follow up. I go to this and I show you. When we have buying zone and selling zone, according to that we buy or we can sell. So when we're talking about buying zone, let me explain. We need to have two horizontal line that we find it on the chart. This horizontal line that if you see on our chart, it means that we are in the buying zone, and then the idea is this, that market needs to come from the above, say from here, market needs to come past these two horizontal green line, and then when we pass this horizontal line, then there is a level that I find in the past. That level normally I color it with a black. These levels and this level I put above and under these two green line. And then when market hit this support, if this support is strong, because we find these levels on past combination of the support and resistance with candlestick price action and candlestick pattern, combined with the software that we have, my partner he developed. When he give us the go ahead to buy, then we can buy the market to this first green line, which normally we call it TP1, which is mean taking profit 1. And if this area we get this go ahead to buy the market, we buy it, and then we buy to this level, which is our taking profit first one. And normally I get out of the trade because these two levels are very strong. Sometimes market bounce back. So if the market pass these two green line, TP1 and TP2, taking profit 1, taking profit 2, if it comes to this area, this is resistance area again, and then we sell the market. If we miss this buying, then we sell the market only to this level, which is this level of the green line. Okay, this is going to be our TP, new TP1. This is for the buying zone. So when we're talking about selling zone, I show you what I mean by selling zone. The selling zone is this. The selling zone is this. We have two horizontal red line on chart, that you can actually recognize that we are in the selling zone. Okay, when we have in selling zone, the idea is this: we need to see price, those candlestick come from bottom. If the price is here, we will wait. We will wait when market come down. I show you this. Make it with what color? Make it with the red. Imagine this is all the candlestick here, and the price is around this area. We need to see price goes up. Actually, I have to change this color for you guys. Do not confuse with these two red lines. And then in the past, I actually find a level of the resistance and the support. Okay, when price goes and hit this resistance, and if the software give us the go ahead to sell, then we can sell it to TP1, which is this area. Okay, and if the past TP1 comes to TP2 and past this TP2, then there is a chance for us, if we miss all this trade of selling, then we can buy it to this level. This level become our new TP1. Please understand this. Sometimes market come into this area, even before hit this resistance, bounce back. The reason is that when our software give us the go ahead to sell, we can sell it in this area. But sometimes market ignore this resistance. We will wait until the software give us the go ahead to sell. If it's around this area, we sell it again to this. So there is two chances to sell actually. When market goes right above in this area, and then we can sell it to this area first, and then second to this area. Then they come TP1 and TP2. Okay, and on reverse as well for the buying. Same thing is happening for the buying. I know it's a bit confusing. Just to understand this, we have a software that my partner developed. That software has got lots of data on it. It calculates all the volume, all the support and resistance, pattern and everything, spread and many other information that is we put on that software. So that software give us the go ahead to sell or to buy. With level we find, we minimize our risk, and then we enter to the market. We're not claiming that everything we do is correct. Market is very risky. No one can claim that they are 100%, but you can go to see on our Telegram group. All this trade we did was a live account, live trade, live chart, and you go and watch them and see if find out how many of them came true. We're not promoting ourselves, so please understand this. We have a YouTube channel which is all this trade has been done, and then you can go and watch them if you like, if you have time. They are 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 hour. So if you want to learn, this is all free education. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, all same name, same logo and everything. So this is our Instagram, we have Facebook, this is our Facebook. So I'm going to go to chart now and explain to you one by one. Japanese 225 index, everything those index that I find the level is on the 30 minutes time frame. We are in the buying zone. Market passed already through the buying zone. As you can see, this candlestick is very huge. The reason is this, because now in Sydney, Australia is 11 o'clock. Japan market just opened now, and when market open, normally open with a big gap and big huge movement. The reason is this, because the big guys, they have pending order, stop loss and everything, and are trying to adjust their trade and then enter to the market. So already we are in the buying zone. These two green line, market passed from the top, and we mark up these two black line. we are waiting for the software to give us the go ahead. We can actually buy to this level, which is TP1 and TP2, and then it goes to this red line, then you can actually sell it. If I get the go ahead, I don't have time to implement that software right now just to see if I can buy, then I would buy it to here. Because I'm making this video for you guys, I'm gonna go through the other pair because the video gets too long. The Australian 200 I could not find any level. This is UAK 100, that's we are in the selling zone. As you can see, this is two red line, we are in the selling zone. We need to see this candlestick, which is in 30 minutes time frame, all of them. We need to see market go past all these two red line, come to this resistance, and then we can sell it to this red line, which is our taking profit 1, and then it goes past taking profit 2 if it goes back past, and then if it comes to this area is a support area, you can buy it. If we miss this trade to sell, we can buy. Then I go to Chinese, I didn't have any level, I couldn't find. Hong Kong, we are in the selling zone. We need to see this candlestick go above these two red line and hit this resistance, then we can sell it, and then if it comes back to this area, we can buy. Chinese, China 50, I couldn't find any index on this one. On this index, I couldn't find any level. This is US 30, we are in the buying zone. As you can see, already past this two green line, hit the level of our black line, and the reaction market would go up to this level of TP1. If it goes past TP2, these are the resistance, then we can sell it to this green line, which is changing to TP1. So that's this is for France 40, France 40 index. We are in the selling zone. Market needs to go above this two and hit this resistance level, then we can sell it. In market, you have to have a patience. You just cannot actually enter market quickly. We need to see the market goes through these two red line of the our level of the selling zone, and then hit the resistance, then we can sell it to this TP1, TP2, and then if it comes to this area, if we missed it, then we can buy it on this support to this level. Okay, that was for France 40, and this is US 500. US 500 is in buying zone. We need this candlestick come down. You might say the level is too low, but no, this is not. The level are actually high. I show you. This one, how much is going to be? Actually, if I make it bigger, so you can actually see there is a big gap. So this is a big peep. It's not a small peep. Okay. And also it's in 30 minutes time frame. So we are in the buying zone, and we need to see this candlestick past these two green line, and those support, then we have a chance to buy. So this is Russell 200. I think that is the US 2000 and the small cap 2000 index. So we are in the selling zone. We need market from here rise up past this two red line in this resistance, and we can sell it. Okay, then this is Germany 30, so index. So we are in the buying zone, already passed through here, and this is the level I find, and market already reaction to that. So the market would go up to TP1, past TP2. If it goes past TP2 to this area, we can sell, and we can actually enter to the market now, but I have to double check with the software. I don't have time because I'm making video now. Maybe later on I do. So this is the Tesla. Actually, Tesla, we are in the buying zone. Tesla right now is in $1,027 markup. If Tesla come pass through these two green line and hit $935, then there is a chance for you guys. We can buy it. We can buy to this level of 980. So 935, so about $50, you know. So this is a quick in and out to make money for Tesla. If Tesla comes down, I'm not saying Tesla would come down. We need to see what market does. We are not dictating the market our follow or to our way. No, we follow the market. Please understand this. No one can say that market goes my way. No, we are follow the market and see what market does. Then after that, when hit our level, then we can make a decision to enter to the market or not, according to our software, according to the support and resistance and whatever. If market come down past our green line, which is this green line and this green line, and come down and to this level, then we can actually buy it to TP1, which is 980, then TP2 would be 1027, and if it goes to this area, there is a chance to sell. So I'm going to actually this is 9 index that I already on the 30 minutes time frame we forecast for next week, more than 10 days, hopefully by 28 January. This is going to be another video I'm going to make to see how many of them came true. So before you go, please read this risk disclaimer again. Pause the video, read it through. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side, free of the side, free education for you guys to learn. If you like, you can go to our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. You see all those videos that we did in the past. Then you can learn how to trade. We don't claim that we are perfect. No, nobody can say that they are perfect, but you judge yourself. Go and see all this. If you don't have time, you go to Telegram and you see all this we did. We mark up how many trade came true. As I show you these. These are all live chart, live account. Okay, I stop talking. In the name of God, I'm going to close this video. Hopefully I will come back next week just to make the second video and we go through each of them. These are all index, so please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo, done. Thanks God.